Hello, my name is Girish Agarwal. I am the Chief Digital and Information Officer for Vaisala. Vaisala has a purpose, and the purpose is taking every measure for the planet. And we really concentrate on reliability and performance when it comes to those data solutions and devices that we provide to our customers. Vaisala is into many avenues, and e-commerce is so crucial for all of these units to correlate and have a common commerce go-to-market channel for us. There were plenty of challenges, I would say, that we were facing with our commerce engine and our configure, price and quote engine that actually led us to discussing this Conga Advantage Platform. The old platform was non-compliant when it comes to security areas, for example. We also actually tried to upgrade the old environment as is, but that took us more than 9 months and it did not go anywhere. And that's when we were really introduced that why don't we really get on with Conga Advantage Platform. We have different business units with different requirements. So there is no one requirement list that I can give one solution to all of them. So that's why it's important that we have different services, common services. Some of them will be shared across these. And for that to happen, you have to have a headless API-driven services which you can offer to different businesses as and when they need.
E-commerce plays a very important role at Vaisala. Our customers demand the self-service. They don't always want to phone someone or send an email. They want to go at any time of the day. We migrated 21,000 users, 2,500 active products, and even 13 price lists across 129 countries.
The relationship management and the support, the proactiveness that Conga brought on the table, which we really wanted as a true partner, rather than just a vendor or a supplier, because that we think is crucial for any such big strategic programs to be successful. So it's much more IT security compliant platform now. We have reduced our customizations by over 30%. So as far as we can take industry best practices and reduce these customizations, that is the key for our long-term growth. And we have been able to achieve that.
Our online store is clearly performing better now, and we're no longer so reliant on being a Salesforce add-on. We have now taken the first step to open up the future of new capabilities that we may do in the future.
It's super critical that we find the right partners in our journey and make a value contribution onto the table for both of us at the same time. Let Conga challenge you. And I think if you take that on board, I think we will be much better prepared for the future, which is unknown to all of us.